green mask, and today we are going to make an origami paper dart. For this you will need a rectangle piece of paper. Now let's start making the paper dart. First you need to fold the paper into half. Then see if the edges are meeting. Crease it well. Now open it. You can see a line in the middle. So now let's take this corner and meet this line. Now fold this flap to the middle. Make sure all the edges are meeting. Then crease it well. Now take this corner and make that meet over here. Like this. And now fold it. Now do the same for the other side. Now fold this entire thing into half. And then fold it back, but not completely. You need to leave some space between. Like this. Do it again, then turn it and fold this side downwards. And here we are almost there. Now we need a pair of scissors. Turn the complete model over and make a small cut in this point, not in this or this, because these are the wings. You need to only do it in this middle line. Now turn it and open this. You can see a cut over here. So push this thing up. And here you have your paper dart. Let's test it if it can fly. Thank you.